Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about subtracting integers. We're going to use the number line. Again, we'll talk about in class the patterns created, and hopefully you can start using the patterns to become more fluent at subtracting integers. When we subtract, subtraction moves us to the left. So we're moving this direction on our number line. And again, negative numbers tell us to change direction or to go the opposite. Alright, so looking at our examples here, this first one, and again, the first number is where we start, so S for start. We're going to start at the number 2. We're going to subtract 5. So subtract means we're going to go to the left. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so there I am on my number line. I'm sitting at -3. And you don't have to like draw your little humps. Really, you're just counting backwards. But for you to see this on the video, I've got to show it that way. All right. On B, we're starting at -6. So I'm going to start here at -6. I'm going to do this one underneath, and then we're going to subtract 3. So again, I'm just going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. So when I do -6 minus 3, my answer is -9. On my third one, we're going to start here at -7. So I'm going to come over here to -7, go up here. So there's my dot at -7. The subtraction tells me I'm going to go to the left. Oh, but when I continue reading, I have that negative, right? And that tells us to go the opposite direction. So we're going to change direction. And instead of going to the left, I'm now going to go to the right. And I'm going 1, 2, 3. And so from -7, no, come back here. -7 minus a -3 becomes a -4. And so that's our answer, -4. All right, we're going to start at a +5. We're going to subtract, so that tells us to go left, but then as I read it, I go change direction, because I've got that -4. So instead of going to the left, I change direction, I go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I went from 5. 5 minus a -4 becomes 9. So 5 minus a -4 equals 9. And that lovely text box keeps popping up. And that's how we subtract integers using the number line. And again, we're going to talk about patterns. And this is not new stuff. This is stuff that you have learned before. So if you already know those patterns, by George, use them. But this is why those patterns work, is because this is how this works on a number line. So until I see you in class.